Alright, we're doing my brother's bike check and my bike check. I got the Eastern Access 2011. Alright, let's start from the top. Eastern Big Boys. Handlebars, 20.5 line. Just got this hardware yesterday. I think exposure hardware. Eastern Strangler stem. Front tire, Animal GLH. Stock Eastern rim double wall. Purple valve cap. Stock Eastern hub. Purple hardware. Eastern Dragon something forks. Eastern frame. Eastern seat. Stock. Pivotal. Eastern stock seat post. Eastern stock seat clear. Eastern stock crank. Eastern stock sprocket. Let me see. Eastern stock sprocket. I don't know. I think DCC chain, driver guard, whatever. Eastern hub guard. Yeah, guys, I'm gonna take it off. I know. I have no. Well, I had them. I just took them off today. Odyssey gold twister pedals. That's it. My hub's not that loud. Alright, on to my brothers. We have
Odyssey rider grips. Red line hollow point stem. Eastern short seat. Mission tires. Nitrous double shot back rim, sitting on white Odyssey spokes, valve cap, spade.
Stolen hub, by the way.
Yeah. Premium cranks, Odyssey chameleon twisted pedals, Odyssey bar ends, Primo hula hoop front rim, Odyssey hazard hub sealed bearings. And Mission front rim as well, and Fuse 4130 forks, specialized. Odyssey C-clamp.
Salt, Eastern saltwater pegs. Alright, I'm gonna do a sound check. It's not that loud either. Alright, guys. Thanks. Subscribe. I'll do a better one next time. Peace.